வணக்கம். 9th Standard Science English Medium, Unit 21 Nutrition and Health. Textbook exercises. Choose the correct answer. The nutrient required in trace amounts to accomplish various body function is answer option C, vitamin. The physician who discovered that scurvy can be cured by ingestion of citrus fruits is James Lynch. The sprouting of onion and potatoes can be delayed by the process of irradiation. Food and Adulteration Act was enforced by Government of India in the year 1954. An internal factor responsible for spoilage of food is moisture content in food. Fill in the blanks. Deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking balanced diet. The process of affecting the natural composition and the quality of food substance is known as adulteration. Vitamin D is called as sunshine vitamin as it can be synthesized by the body from the rays of sunlight. Dehydration is based on the principle of removal of water or moisture. Food should not be purchased beyond the date of expiry. AgMark is used to certify agriculture and livestock products in India. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. Iron is required for the proper functioning of thyroid gland. Answer false. The correct statement is iodine is required for the proper functioning of thyroid gland. Vitamins are required in large quantities for normal functioning of the body. Answer false. The correct statement is vitamins are required in minute quantities for normal functioning of the body. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. Answer true. Lack of adequate fats in diet may result in low body weight. Answer true. ISI mark is mandatory to certify agricultural products. Answer false. The correct statement is AgMark. AgMark. AgMark is the mandatory to certify agricultural products. Match the following. Here column A and column B are given. In column A, calcium, sodium, potassium, iron, iodine are given. In column B, answers are shuffled. We have to match it correctly. Let us see the answer. Calcium, osteoporosis. Calcium, osteoporosis. Sodium, muscular cramps. Sodium, muscular cramps. Potassium, muscular fatigue. Potassium, muscular fatigue. Iron, anemia. Iron, anemia. Iodine, goiter. Iodine, goiter. Fill in the blanks with suitable answers. Vitamins, dietary source, deficiency, disease. Vitamins, calciferol, dietary source, dairy products, deficiency disease, rickets. Vitamins, retinol, dietary source, papaya, deficiency disease, night blindness. Vitamins, ascorbic acid, dietary source, citrus fruits, deficiency disease, scurvy. Vitamins, thiamine, dietary source, whole grains, deficiency disease, beriberi. Give abbreviations for the following: ISI, Indian Standard Institution; FPO, Food Process Order; AGMARK, Agricultural Marking; FCI, Food Corporation of India; FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Assertion and reason type questions. Here 4 options are given. Option A, if both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation, the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, if both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C, if assertion is true but reason is false. Option D, if both assertion and reason is false. First question, assertion: hemoglobin contains iron. Reason: iron deficiency leads to anemia. Here, assertion: hemoglobin contains iron. Then reason: iron deficiency leads to anemia. Here both assertion and reason is false. Second question, assertion: AGMARK is a quality control agency. Reason: ISI is the symbol of quality. Here assertion is true and reason is also true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So here answer is option B. If both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Give reasons for the following statements. Salt is added as a preservative in pickles. Answer: salt removes the moisture content and prevents growth of bacteria. So salt is added as a preservative in pickles. We should not eat food items beyond the expiry date. Answer: we should not eat food items beyond the expiry date because it will be adulterated and may lead to serious health issues. Deficiency of calcium in diet leads to poor skeletal growth. Answer: deficiency of calcium in diet leads to poor skeletal growth because calcium is the major constituent of bone. Answer briefly. Differentiate kwashiorkor from marasmus. Kwashiorkor, it is a condition of several protein deficiency. It affects children between 1 to 5 years of age. Marasmus, it is due to the diet is in poor in carbohydrates, fats and proteins. It usually affects infants below the age of 1 year. Macronutrients from micronutrients. Macronutrients. Nutrients required for the growth and development of the body in large quantities are called macronutrients. Nutrients required for the growth and development of the body in small quantities are called micronutrients. Example for macronutrients. Example: calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and magnesium. Micronutrients example: sulfur, iron, chlorine, cobalt, copper, zinc, manganese, molybdenum, iodine and selenium. Why salt is used as preservative in food? Addition of salt removes the moisture content in the food by the process of osmosis. This prevents the growth of bacteria and reduces the activity of microbial enzymes. What is an adulterant? Adulterant is defined as the addition or subtraction of any substance to or from food so that the natural composition and the quality of food substance is affected. Name any two naturally occurring toxic substances in food. Toxic substances in certain poisonous mushrooms, prussic acid in seeds of apples and cherry. What factors are required for the absorption of vitamin D from the food by the body? Answer: sunlight, dehydrocholesterol. Write any one function of the following minerals. Calcium, function constituent of bones. Sodium, maintains fluid balance. Iron, important component of hemoglobin. Iodine, formation of thyroid hormones. Explain any two methods of food preservation. Methods of food preservation. Freezing. It is one of the widely used methods of food preservation. This process involves storing the food below 0 degrees C at which microorganisms cannot grow. Chemical reactions are reduced and metabolic reactions are also delayed. Addition of sugar or honey is added as a preservative to increase the shelf life of fruits and fruit products like jams, jellies, kvass, etc. The hygroscopic nature of sugar or honey helps in reducing the water content of food and also minimizing the process of oxidation in fruits. What are the effects of consuming adulterated food? Consumption of these adulterated foods may lead to serious health effects like fever, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, gastrointestinal disorders, asthma, allergy, neurological disorder, skin allergies, immune suppression, kidney and liver failure, colon cancer, birth defects. Answer in detail. How are vitamins useful to us? Tablet the source deficiency diseases and symptoms of fat soluble vitamins. Answer vitamins are vital nutrients required in minute quantities of perform specific physiological and biochemical functions. B. Fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, retinol, sources carrot, papaya, leafy vegetables, fish, liver oil, egg yolk, liver, dairy products. Deficiency disorders. Xerophthalmia, Night blindness. Symptoms: dryness of cornea, unable to see in the night, that is dim light, and scaly skin. Vitamin D, calciferol, sources egg, liver, dairy products, fish, synthesized by the skin in sunlight. Deficiency disorders, rickets in children. Symptoms: bow legs, defective ribs, development of pigeon chest. Vitamin E, tocopherol, sources whole wheat, meat, vegetable oil, milk. Deficiency disorders, sterility in rats, reproductive abnormalities. Symptoms: sterility. Vitamin K, derivative of quinone, sources leafy vegetables, soya beans, milk. Deficiency disorders, blood clotting is prevented. Symptoms: excessive bleeding due to delayed blood clotting. Explain the role of food control agencies in India. FCI, Food Corporation of India, was set up in the year 1965 with the following objectives: effective price support operations for safeguarding the interest of farmers, distributing food grains throughout the country, maintaining satisfactory levels of operational and buffer stock of food grains to ensure national security, regulate the market price to provide food grains to consumers at reliable price. Role of food control agencies: they standardized mark and role in food safety. ISI, Indian Standards Institution, known as Bureau of Indian Standard BIS, certifies industrial products like electrical appliances like switches, ring cables, water heater, electric motor, kitchen appliances, etc. AGMARK, Agricultural Marking, certifies agricultural and livestock products like cereals, essential oils, pulses, honey, butter, etc. FPO, Fruit Process Order, certifies the fruit products like juice, jams, sauce, canned fruits and vegetables, pickles, etc. FSSAI, Food Safety and Standard Authorities of India, responsible for protecting and promoting the public health through regulation and supervision of food safety. Higher order thinking skills. Look at the picture and answer the questions that follows. Name the process involved in the given picture. Answer: pasteurization of milk. Which dairy food is preserved by this process? Answer: milk. What is the temperature required for the above process? 63 degrees C. Second question: the doctor advised an adolescent girl who is suffering from anemia to include more of leafy vegetables and dates in her diet. Why so? Answer: anemia is a condition resulting from deficiency of hemoglobin in the blood. Iron is necessary for the formation of hemoglobin. Therefore, the doctor advises the girl to include leafy vegetables and dates in her diet since they are rich in iron content. Third question: Sanjana wants to buy a jam bottle in the grocery shop. What are the things she should observe on the label before purchasing it? Answer: standardized marks like ISI, FPO, date of manufacture, date of expiry, contents or ingredients, net weight, manufacturer's details, maximum retail price, MRP. Thank you.